hakas ngipenkut yaka district level inter-school athletic meet 2026 yaka bala penyat lembah ke district sport office Jongkori Boy district kabla sedang nadu ke arpo artarik bala penkut yaka haka arp sautarik ubena yayong yaka ne ke jingkilan met jongki kena school kaba shisen shisnam napo ke Riboy district lapenlong laisngi kenti hapo ka NSCA mini stadium paham sim nongpo haka jing penwai ya kane ka sngi spot lawan bensaki kumu kongsan dau ba meral bon sim UMLA jong kanongpo constituency haringkat uba restore well shut up ubdei UDSEO jong ka district lem haka jing donlang ke istar marak uba RB shut up uba savio bla lem bat kiwe de kinongkit kam jong ka DSEO jong ka Riboy district hakane kasngi lapen ko buromru ya ki khun samla kirang bat ki thei yelekai na ka district ki balawanra ya ka nam ka burom jong ka Riboy district ki balayo jingjob na ki jingikop baper na keleng kari India balaken mau kerpangru ya ki kato katne ki dinjat ki jingno senyang jong ka retina hanse bamkwai hadwaru blai hakaliang ka spot ya ka Riboy district jong kawi ka samlalut kabla duno ya ka jingja accident hakine ki kendiat banai ki baladap lapun kubrom ya ka kemi jong ka retina hanse lengba dau MLA kum kadak ka jingkan mau ya ki dinjat ki jongka haba phai hakaliang jong ka jingelekai hakane kasngi nakaleng ki school haka district ke balawan shimbenta hakane ka spot meet jong menta usnam ka school ka bakhurtam ya ka jingjob jong ki khanna haki jingelekai baper laira jingjob da ka Saint Alfred Higher Secondary School haba jingkran na kalyang kongsan hakane kasngi ula ai khublai kerpang ya ka sarkar jala hapo ka jinglam jong menteri rangba ka jala badiau menteri badai pet ya ki kam spot hapo ka jala ya ka bakilawanra shibun ki jingmentoy ki jingkentiu ya ki rang bat ki thei yalekai jong ka jala hakine ki khandiat snam ulaya ru ya ka department DSEO jong ka Riboy district hapo ka jinglam jong uba Bobby L Nongbet haringkat bat ki nongtre ki belala ban penurlong ka bejob ya kene ka spot mate jong mentau snam chusu ulakan turu ya ki khana school ki baya shimbenta ha ki jinglekai baper ya ka bakidon na pedeng jongki ki baram bat kidon na pedeng jongki ki bejob ha ka jinglekai henry walada kito ki baram kidei ban ki ban yang biang sashisen ban wan ra jingjob how way pat usnam
Medal is sparked by the relay team of Nongklo Higher Secondary School. Lisha Moring, Lisha Lapang, Rumisha Kro and Delightful Lingdong. Tomorrow government Thank you.
My sincere thanks to the able leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister of the state, as well as the Sports Minister, who have been very keen into ensuring that various sports infrastructure within the state will be built in due course of time to facilitate the avenue for all the athletes within Riboy district. And at the same time, we must acknowledge the initiatives taken by the sports department within the state by organizing this kind of event. My sincere thanks to Pak Bobby and his team. Congratulations, Pak Bobby, if he will get team the Jungki for successfully organizing this 3 days event. You deserve an applause from each and every one of us. So mahabnya takti na utawa Bobby magatin. Kaya kita Kristom na kumti, pagkatim baru ki supporting staff ki badan ani, bat kinohikai ki kena school ki balami kmat nagi school bakher. Dear students, they are winners, they are runners-up, they are losers. But we must remember one thing. As Swami Vivekananda rightly said, to each and every one of you, which will motivate you, arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. Among all of you students, athletes who are present here today, many of you have got gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. Those many of you who haven't had a privilege to have a medal, it doesn't matter, you can try next time. I wish you all the best. All the athletes who are present here, when you will go back from this place this evening, you will go back with memories that you will carry forever. That you will remember the kind of events that has been organized in this very ground. To all the athletes, the principal, the students who are here, as well as officials from the Sports and Education Department. I must place on record my sincere thanks to the Sports Department, as I have said in my opening remarks. And I'm thankful to the department that in the next 2 years, we are going to have a ground which will be a place in which you can perform well, which will be known as a synthetic athletic track here in Pahang Sin. The work has started, the work order has been issued, and this synthetic athletic track come natural ground. It has been made at the cost of 14 crore. The work has already started, and I hope that in the next 2 years, the district level and the school athletic meets will be conducted in the very new ground in which each and every one of you can perform, you can display your skill on the ground, which will be available for each and every one of you. And I hope that the dream aspiration of the young boys and girls of Ribhoi district, we have seen a good example that has been led from the front, or at least that has been just facilitated here. I forgot the name of each and everyone, but I remember Andrisha Clay. I have met. She's one of the athletes who have just recently won medals from the event that has been held in Orissa. As other athletes also who have brought glory and laurel to the state. At the same time, Nasroban Pa, Kajin Skaulam, Maganekapor, ya ikimi jong iretina hanse ibadan bagi hangne ibalak pa agading ja ka basusi pasidan hangne por sumero kade gading ja ka basusi ide iwei ne ki atlet ibala pendenguram ya ka Ribhoi district ri ke jongi andre Yusufu kajing im jongi ki brio kamsong hani ke song hau trai nong bo nong thau lai bit ben sim no ki selede aga por ka ba inang samla inang por inang dan fan inang donru hapo jong training ban pentibit gila de ban sim benta aga national games kan balong haus nam arja yo kong pidan hangni isu kon pa ni solen yo pi ble na ing da khat i ga ing ga ser ga jong ki unang kerku yo pi agi por gi padang wan
Terima kasih kepada